Alright, YouTube. After 3 hours behind schedule, here comes this Escondido Disposal McNeillus Zero Radius. I think this is gonna be my final clip for tonight. YouTube, comment down below what y'all think about this garbage truck being this late. Woo! Just checking to see if there's any fulano heads. Make sure you go rapid mode, okay? Okay. Just gonna be right here. No. I think I'm gonna be right here. All right. Something happened. Go rapid mode. Go. All right. 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 13 seconds and counting. Man, he's making up some lost time. YouTube, comment down below what y'all think about these late running garbage trucks. It's already almost 7 at night and these, not much. Yeah, woohoo! Yeah. All right. Whoa. He's stepping on. All right, woohoo! All right. Woo! Hey, recycling trick, make sure you go rapid mode, okay? Go all out. Alright. Alright. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, no. People, y'all need to wait till the garbage truck is done. Okay, make sure you go rapid mode, okay? Go all out. Estoy viendo. That is hot! Wow. Y'all, this is my luckiest day catching this garbage truck at night. Woohoo! Yeah. If any of y'all think that I haven't gotten this garbage truck, I finally got it. Woohoo! Wow. Oh no. Y'all need to slow down when that garbage truck is gone by. Okay. Wow. Wow. How did it come out? Aw. Did it go by so fast? Perfect. Perfect. Woohoo! Okay. Six minutes, 34 seconds and counting. Okay. Finally! Man, I can put this garbage truck to rest. Oh, it stopped? It said a red signal. Well. Oh. All right. Good thing that garbage truck went by. YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed these 3 garbage trucks, especially this late running garbage truck. Son of a fulano. YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There goes the garbage truck to the transfer station. Woo!